Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan pecan pie, gluten-free too. If you would like to see other pie recipes, including ones that are not vegan or gluten-free, I'll put a link to a playlist up here or in the description box. So let's get started. First you need to prepare a pie crust, and I have 3 videos showing different pie crust recipes. One is just gluten-free, one is just vegan, and one is gluten-free and vegan. And I'll put links to them in the description box. Keep the pie crust in the fridge until you're ready to add the filling into it. Once the pie crust is ready, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So one problem with making pie is that the bottom crust comes out underbaked or soggy. A lot of people like to pre-bake the crust first to prevent that from happening, but here's a trick I learned in culinary school. Place a sheet pan into the oven while it's preheating so it gets nice and hot. And when you bake the pie later, the heat from the pan will help fully bake the bottom crust. Then in a small bowl, add in the coconut milk, or you can use any non-dairy milk you like. The filling will come out a little more runny if you use a different non-dairy milk, but it will bake just fine, so don't worry if your filling looks a little more runny than mine does. And cornstarch. And whisk them really well until there are no lumps. And set it aside for now. Then in a large saucepan, add in the vegan butter. You can use either the spread or the sticks. And place it onto the stove over a medium heat and heat it until it's melted. Then add in the chopped pecans. And heat it for about another minute or 2 to lightly toast the pecans, stirring it the whole time. Then remove it from the heat. And add in the maple syrup, brown sugar. I'm using organic brown sugar, the cornstarch and milk mixture from earlier, vanilla extract, and salt. Mix them together until they're combined. Then place the saucepan back over the heat and heat it for about a minute. Then remove it from the heat and pour it into the chilled pie crust. And bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes until the filling is firm but still a little jiggly. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool for at least 30 minutes or until it's no longer hot but still slightly warm. And you can serve it while it's still warm if you like. And that's how to make vegan pecan pie, gluten-free too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.